Hello, John McConnin here, UpsideDownRealEstate.com, McConnin and Company Realty. I'm an attorney and a real estate broker. My brokerage has closed, about 100 short sales in Southern California. I've negotiated for loan workouts for hundreds of other people. The realtors in my office combined have negotiated over 200 short sales. Today, I'm going to explain to you why realtors believe you do not need an attorney to review your approval letters or do your negotiating. And here we have Matt, um, a realtor who's done a lot of short sales. In fact, he's got hundreds of listings. And he says that you do not need an attorney to, here we'll scroll down here a little bit. You do not need an attorney to, well, he's cagey, but he says their websites use scare tactics to make people think that they would be crazy to do a short sale without first hiring an attorney, that attorneys are the only ones qualified to interpret a short sale approval, and that hiring an attorney is a normal accepted part of the short sale, like hiring a divorce attorney. The bottom line that this is just not the case. That's what Matt says. And then he goes up and explains why to people wanting to know if they're released from the debt. He says accepting a short payoff to satisfy the lien is good language. He says issuing full satisfaction of mortgage is good language. This not pursuing a deficiency judgment is probably better language. I'm not sure the judgment part is great, but it's better language. But let me just tell you, and releasing the lien, let me just tell you that understanding of the law, and California Association of Realtors has asked me to train realtors on this at their conference. Their lawyers are smart. I spoke at two different sections of breakout sections where they had realtors there. They asked me to speak. I've talked with their legal department. Let me just say that this, in my opinion, is very, very, very dangerous. Okay? It's not looking out for your interests. Putting this writing up here without being an attorney, without even understanding it, is just, people ask me about this recently, and it drives me nuts when I think about it. I put it out of my mind for a year and a half, but this is dangerous. And to see why you don't need a lawyer to review your paperwork, let me just go over and look at the results. Okay, now I'm going to tell you, if you click through these, you're going to see many, if not half or more, of these do not address the loan. They only address the lien. But even so, let me just review this one. This one says BAC Home Loan Servicing and or its investors may pursue a deficiency judgment. So would you want a realtor reviewing that paperwork for you? Would you want a lawyer reviewing that paperwork for you? If you were a realtor, would you want a lawyer reviewing that paperwork? Here's another one. This is the first one. This is a short payoff. It's called B of A is accepting a short payoff. No mention of, I clicked through all these, and I'm hoping I'm clicking the same ones I've read before, but I clicked through the ones in the first 4 rows, and I'm telling you, more than half of them do not address the loan. They release the lien. They release, they have language similar to what has on his website, but I think it shows why you need to speak with an attorney who's experienced, who understands how California real estate secured transactions are done, not just sold, but closed and done, in which if you're going to sell a property, you have to release the lien, but you also have to pay off the remaining loan balance. And if your lender takes less than the full balance and reserves the right to come after you for the deficiency, you need a lawyer to tell you not to worry about it. I frankly don't tell any of my clients not to worry about it. Some other lawyer wants to tell you not to worry about it, fine. But let me just say that California Association of Realtors put out a memo in the fall saying that, well, we'll go over that next. I'll tie this all up, but let me just say, you can click on these and you'll see different banks that haven't released a deficiency. Let me see if this was another one of them. Yeah, this is another one that they say down here. Upon satisfaction of the required terms, the appropriate documents will be sent to release the lien. And I'm not kidding. You can click all over the place and you'll see the same situation. Thanks.